2 new deaths today, bringing the COVID-19 total in Hawaii to 8 deaths. Health officials say one of the new deaths was on Oahu, the other on Maui. There were also 23 new cases today, bringing the statewide total to 465. Maui Memorial Medical Center also announced today 3 more employees and 1 patient who tested positive for the virus, bringing their total to 19. Manola Morales has an update.
The director of the health department says the 8th person who died was a patient at Maui Memorial, and officials are still investigating whether it's tied to the cluster of cases that have been ongoing in recent weeks.
The department is aggressively investigating every case and contact at the hospital to protect this vulnerable population. We are continuing aggressive contact tracing of cases throughout the weekend and immediately notifying all close contacts who may have been exposed.
Anderson says the health department has been testing everyone who has had close contact with those who have tested positive from the Maui Memorial cases, whether or not they are showing symptoms only because the outbreak happened in a hospital. But in most cases, he does not want to do massive testing on those who are not showing symptoms.
Only certain people with COVID-like symptoms, such as fever and cough, need to be tested. People who have COVID-like symptoms and who have chronic medical conditions or who are older are at most risk and should be tested because they're at risk for severe disease.
Maui Memorial announced today that 4 more cases were confirmed for a total of 19. 3 of the new cases are workers, 1 is a patient. 126 have been tested and 20 are negative. 63 results are still pending. The hospital also sent a statement saying additional measures have begun to prevent more outbreaks. Currently, staff are being issued a mask at the start of each shift and will receive an additional mask if theirs becomes soiled or damaged. We now do allow staff to bring in their own masks, but require them to use hospital-issued N95 masks in COVID-19 patient care areas. The state is also pitching in to help the workers.
Substantial amounts of personal protective equipment have been provided to protect the health of healthcare workers. Over 4 pallets of masks and gloves and gowns and other things were delivered to the hospital.
Manola Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.